So guys, welcome. So let's get quick on how to design this on Photoshop. So the first thing first, we're going to take our page size. So you come to File, New, and then type in your file size. That's in pixels. The width is going to 1748. Then we have 2189. So we have that on 300. So the first thing we're going to be doing is bringing in our background. So we have this background. Yeah. After bringing in the background, if you like, you leave it like that. If you like, you want to add some blur, Gaussian blur to it to make it smooth. Depends on what you want to do. So the next thing I'll bring in our image. So I have this image here. So since our image is cut off here, the headshot, and we don't want to leave it like this. So I want to bring it to the side, taking that corner here. So we'll remove the background, click on remove background. Let's wait for Photoshop to help us remove the background. So once it's done, you bring it up here. So let's scale it. So you scale, and once you have where you want it to be, you let it go. So the next thing I'll be doing, I'll be bringing in another image. So bring in this image. Gonna scale it. So you take it beneath so let it look like this. So let's change the colors. So blend it, use the blend mode to find a perfect blend. I think I used for this screen, so I reduce the opacity. Yeah, then you find the right opacity that you want. So once you get that, you align. Also, I'm going to be bringing in another flare. So let me bring in a flare here. So once I bring it, so that there too will look shiny. So like a ray. So change the blend mode to screen, and then just it'll be just like that. Yeah. So the next thing we'll be doing, we'll blend this area. You click on that mask. Use your brush tool to clean part of it. So let's add our brush and to clean part of it. Our brush. So once it's there, you just clean the opacity, make it 100 or 80, 95. So you just blend just like that. So you blend it there. So let's cover up here since our text is going to lie here. So you use your shape tool. You draw a shape. So now let's change the color of the shape. Let's say, okay, let's add what's it called? Let's add a max here on our shape. Let's go to properties and see our property. So our shape, now we have this shape. Once we add the max, we'll come to our gradient and just blend just like that. So you can see it's covering the image blended well, but we don't need black on that. So let's go to fill and select our color. I think it's the dark purple color. So once you come there, the black purple color, you select, and then you have it just like that. So you can see our image. So the next we'll be doing, we'll be generating the name. So you can see how to generate this name on ideogram. Once you come to ideogram.com, ideogram.ai, it's an AI tool that will help you generate images and also text. Type in the text. I want to share the prompts on how to generate this. Then you can edit, then get one. So once you generate with the name of the person, you copy the image. So I use black. I said she give me black so that I can easily remove the background. So I use black. So I'll change the blend mode. So let's change the blend mode to screen so that the black will be off. So you can see, amazing. So you can see how it's been done. Then you type in the text, happy birthday, and what have you. So now let's do some last blending. I'll bring in this and place it here. Then I'll change the blend mode to screen. Then let me change, I don't need it to be yellow here. So what I'll do, I'll add hue and saturation. Hue and saturation, you click here so that it affects only that light. Then adjust the hue. You choose a color of your choice. So since I'm working with mostly pink colors there, so I'm gonna go towards that color. So you can see, amazing. So guys, that's it. And if you apply your text and what have you, you have this. So I'm going to be sharing the resources on the description. So follow me for more. My name is Jamaco, and we will talk more again.